Hey guys, it's Batsman Wicketkeeper. It's King aka Aish, and today I'll be showing you how you can hit a four on your curve. So continue this. So number one thing in cricket is concentrate on the ball, because when you concentrate, you know where you want to hit, and concentrate where you want to hit. Next is a stance and balance. The stance and balance is really important. So I will show you my stance. This is normal stance, okay? Normal stance. And now, what do you have to do to hit 4 on your gun? This is the normal leg position. So what you have to do, this leg is going to be back and this leg is going to be front, because you're going to do it like this. So you need balance and power on this leg. Now the thing is how you're going to execute your shot. So it's actually like a card, right? And most important thing is don't wait for the yakkar to come, just go on early, because you know more even big players can't defend yakkars. So same stance as I told you, left leg back, right leg front, go parallel. When you're going back like this, your bat up and full down. You can hear the noise of the ground, hit the bat on the ground and go front wherever you want to shot, like this. Okay, something like cow and straight, right? So this is my technique. If it took me lots of months to get used to this shot and hit fours on knockers. Okay, now if you want, I'll show you 2-3 demos of me hitting knockers. So my brother is one. Knocker, knocker. See? This is how you hit Yorkers and fours. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with all your cricket fans. Peace out.